Looking for the best way to protect your car on the road? In today's video, we're diving into the top dash cams that provide ultimate security and peace of mind. From crystal clear footage to smart features like motion detection and parking surveillance, these dash cams are designed to keep an eye on your vehicle, no matter where you park. Whether you're a daily commuter or a long-distance traveler, these devices are a must-have for safeguarding your car. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, WOLFBOX G900 GPS Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX G900 Pro Dash Cam is an advanced 4K plus 2.5K car DVR system designed to provide complete coverage for your vehicle. With a 12-inch IPS touchscreen, this dash cam supports both front and rear cameras, capturing everything in stunning 4K resolution for the front and 2.5K for the rear. Its wide, 170 degrees viewing angle ensures you won't miss a thing, while the WDR, wide dynamic range, feature enhances clarity even in low-light conditions. Equipped with built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and a voice control feature, the G900 Pro offers convenience and connectivity. It also includes a parking monitor, ensuring real-time surveillance and automatic recording even when your vehicle is parked. The camera supports a memory card up to 128 gigabytes, giving you ample space to store your recordings. With features like anti-vibration, waterproof, and automatic white balance, this dash cam delivers exceptional performance in any weather. The G900 Pro is a reliable companion for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and recording capabilities. Second product on our list, DDPAI Z60 Car Dash Cam. The DDPAI Z60 Dash Cam is a powerful, multifunctional car camera designed to offer comprehensive coverage. With its 3-channel recording, it captures everything from the front, rear, and even the interior of your vehicle. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, while the interior and rear cameras provide clear 2K and 1080p footage, respectively. This setup ensures no detail is missed. Equipped with Night Vision 2.0 technology, the Z60 delivers exceptional clarity even in low-light conditions. The dynamic range effectively balances shadows and highlights, making it perfect for nighttime driving. For added convenience, the camera supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi for smooth, real-time viewing and easy management via the app. It also features GPS tracking, giving you precise location details. With continuous 24-hour parking monitoring, the Z60 guarantees protection for your car, whether you're on the road or parked. The camera's advanced ADAS system acts as a personal co-pilot, alerting you to potential hazards. Third product on our list, DDPAI N5 Dual Lens Dash Cam. The DDPAI 4K Dash Cam N5 offers an advanced dual lens system that includes a 4K UHD front camera and a 1080p rear camera. This ensures crystal clear footage, providing comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. With Night VS and RealCube technology, it captures sharp, vibrant images, even in low light, improving safety during nighttime driving. Designed for all conditions, the dash cam operates in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for year-round use. It also features a loop recording function, where new footage automatically overwrites old recordings. The built-in G-sensor locks footage during collisions, ensuring crucial moments are saved. The DDPAI N5 supports up to 512 gigabytes of external storage, offering ample space for your recordings. With ADAS and GPS capabilities, it tracks your route and enhances your driving experience. Plus, the app control feature allows easy access to video playback on your smartphone. Fourth product on our list, Redtiger F9 4K Dash Cam. The Redtiger F9 Dash Cam brings advanced features for safer driving. With its 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, it captures ultra-clear footage. The f1.55 aperture and Sony IMX335 sensor deliver stunning video quality, even in low light. Stay connected with the Redtiger app. Easily control your dash cam, view live footage, and track your GPS data through Wi-Fi. The 130 to 170 degrees wide-angle lens minimizes blind spots for full coverage. The built-in G-sensor locks important videos during collisions, and the 48-hour parking monitor ensures security even when you're away. Durable, easy to use, and reliable, the Redtiger F9 dash cam is perfect for any driver. Fifth product on our list, KQQ 4K G-Sensor Dash Cam. The KQQ 4K Wi-Fi dash cam redefines safety and convenience for drivers. Equipped with a 4K front-facing camera and a 1080p rear camera, it captures every detail on the road. The 170 degrees wide-angle front lens and 150 degrees rear lens ensure no blind spots, providing complete coverage. With HDR technology and a large f1.8 aperture, this dash cam excels in low-light conditions. It balances light and exposure for clear, high-quality recordings, day or night. Managing videos is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. Using the Redtiger app, users can view, download, and edit recordings directly on their smartphone. Share accident footage or scenic drives with just a tap. The G-sensor locks important videos during accidents, ensuring they aren't overwritten. Plus, loop recording keeps the memory card efficient by replacing older files automatically. Compact, durable, and reliable, the KQQ dashcam comes with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support. It's more than just a camera. It's a driving companion. Upgrade your road safety today.